Gambian men are not at fault.
On the social media, so okay, I want this kind of relationship. Yeah, and what they should understand is that social media is just an illusion. What you see on the media and what's happening right in the real life is not the same.
That's right.
Yeah,
That's right.
so that's what they have to understand. And understand we the Gambians here, a man which is brought up in Gambia and working in Gambia, you have to know that the person is a low earner no matter what. Just check on the, like, let's say the salary earners, let's say the teachers, their minimum wages. Yeah? And you calculate on that all these workers in Gambia here, they are not earning more than 15,000 a month. And you will not expect your man to be doing your hair every week, doing makeup every week, taking care of children, everything. So the man gonna give up on you. So that's why normally divorce is